Hi everyone, welcome to Spring 2019. This is Kianush Borujani and I'll be teaching the course Programming 2 COP3337 in Spring 2019. First of all, I apologize because of my voice as I have a cold. In this welcome video, I'm going to go over the important parts of the syllabus, which is available online on canvas.fiu.edu. I strongly suggest you to read the whole syllabus carefully. However, in this video, I'm going to focus on and emphasize on those parts that are more important. So in the first page of the syllabus, you can see my information, my name and my email address, and the course web page, which is on Canvas. And then also you see my office location and office hours. Also, you see the course description here and the prerequisites, and also the textbook of this course. As you see, it's Big Java by K. Hortzman, and you see the course objectives at the end of this course. You will be able to do these 7 objectives. We will have 2 main online assessments in this course, the midterm exam and the final exam. In order to reduce the chance of having issues with your computer during the exams, it's important that you take the practice quiz from the computer that you're going to use for your exam. And then it's your responsibility to make sure that your computer meets the minimum hardware requirements. The midterm will be available on March 8 from 7 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. And then the final exam is available on April 24 from 7 a.m. until 11:59 p.m. And then you can see more information about the exams in these 3 paragraphs. Make sure to read them very carefully. Also, here we talk about the programming assignments and discussion forums that you need to do throughout the semester. There are a total of 5 programming assignments and 5 discussion forums that will be posted on Canvas. Gradually throughout the semester, you will receive a public announcement email with each discussion forum or programming assignment that is posted online. And also you get another announcement when it's graded. You have 7 days to do each assignment and each discussion. The penalty for late submission in the assignments is 20% per day. So if you submit your solution 2 days late, you get 40% penalty. But there's no late participation in discussion forums. So if you miss the deadline for a discussion forum, you're not allowed to submit your answer or participate in the forum late. You can see the exact dates for each assignment. The first programming assignment is posted on January 16. The second one is posted on February 4th. The third one is posted on February 27. The third one is posted on 27 of February. The fourth one is posted on March 25. The fifth one is posted on April 8. And as you see, each one of them has for each one of them you have 7 days to do the assignment. At the end of syllabus, you will see the course calendar. So you will see in which week we have what assignment. And then also here you see that every discussion forum is posted on a Monday and it's due on the upcoming Sunday. Which means that for discussion forums you have 7 days to participate. The students are expected to review the how to get started part in the Canvas website, and then they have to first introduce themselves to the class in the first during the first week by posting a self introduction in the appropriate discussion forum, and then you as a students are required to take the practice quiz to make sure that your computer is compatible with Canvas, and uh, you're responsible to review the course calendar and also interact online with your classmates and with me. And then you're required to log into the course twice per week. And you can see uh, other responsibilities that you have as students. Me as instructor have the following responsibilities. I have to log into the course 3 times a week and respond to discussion boards, blogs, and other posts within 24 hours, and respond to emails and messages on Canvas within 24 hours, and grade the assignments within 7 to 10 days of the assignment's deadline. And then the next important thing that we see here in the syllabus is the Adobe Connect meetings. As I said before, we have two main online assessment for each one of them for both midterm and final exam. Uh, we have a review session in the form of an Adobe Connect meeting. For example, before 3 days before the midterm, on March 5th, we have the first Adobe Connect meeting. Uh, on March 5th from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. And then we have the second meeting, the second Adobe Connect meeting on April 19 before the final exam from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. So in these meetings, I'll be going over the sample problems that I will post before the midterm and final exam, and then you will get prepared for the exams a few days before each exam. Here you can find more information about these meetings, and it's important to review them so that you have no problem connecting to these meetings. It's important that you all know my grading policy. Discussion forums and assignments are not merely graded based on whether your solution or your answer is correct or not. If a genuine, sufficient attempt to find the best solution results in an incorrect or incomplete answer, it will still get the same credit as a correct and uh, complete answer. However, for midterm and final exam, uh, the grades are mostly based on the correctness of your solutions and your answers. The final score is calculated by aggregating the score of all the discussion forums and all the 5 programming assignments, the midterm exam, and the final exam in the following way. Every discussion forum has 3%. So we have 5 discussion forums. Therefore, we have a total of 15% for all the discussion forums. Every programming assignment has 7%. So all the programming assignments in total, they will have 35% of your final score. The midterm exam has 25% effect on your final grade, and the final exam has another 25% weight. So in total, we have 100% weight, and this is how your scores and your grades are aggregated, uh, so that we can calculate the final score of each one of you. And then after we calculate the final score, We will give you your letter grade by using this table. If you get 90% or more, you get an A. A score between 86.67% to 89.99 gets an A minus, all the way to a C, D, and an F. So if you get less than 60, you get an F. If you get 60 to 69.99, you get D. And here you can see the course calendar. You see that in each week we go over what kind of subjects and which chapters you're required to read, and you can see which discussion forum or which programming assignment is posted on which week. And finally, you can see the second page of the course calendar. The only point that I have to mention is that the programming assignment 4 will be posted either on week 11 or week 12, depending on how you do in the midterm exam. So it's either on week 11 or on week 12.